Tired of the Fsuipc Flight Simulator Module DLL error happening during a loading screen? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. Let's optimize your gaming environment and kill that pop-up for good. Don't let Fsuipc Flight Simulator Module slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This is the Fsuipc Flight Simulator Module, the Flight Simulator Universal Inter-Process Communication Fsuipc library, a specialized bridge that enables communication between Microsoft Flight Simulator and external hardware or companion software. It exposes simulation variables to joysticks, cockpit panels, and ecosystem tools such as weather engines and VATSIM clients. Without it, complex aircraft add-ons and advanced peripherals may fail to function correctly. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. Fsuipc functions as a core component of your graphics or audio runtime. To fix this, perform a clean installation of the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime for legacy DirectX support, and update your graphics drivers if the file is part of a hardware-accelerated framework. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Fsuipc Flight Simulator module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Be suspicious of any site that asks you to disable your antivirus to install Fsuipc Flight Simulator Module DLL, as this is a major red flag for malicious software. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. The link below references a primary diagnostic resource for reviewing Fsuipc Flight Simulator module and system configuration. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Fsuipc Flight Simulator module dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.